Spring is close by and I'm about to unbox a new test bike. It's a KTM Super Adventure S. I'm so enthusiastic. It's my first time with a KTM. In the box over here, I'm about to show it off to you guys and start it up. So I have to cut the straps and I'm gonna tell you some more things about the bike. It's the new 2022 machine that got updated last year. Now it features lots of cool stuff like active cruise control, and you know it already. It's one of the baddest and meanest in the market when it comes to power and performance in off-road. This is a very beautiful looking bike, man. I like it. Look at this big dash. It has a cover on it. The handlebar is not fitted. We'll have to do it. Everything looks so nice, and I love the smell. This smell is always a pleasure. Check out the headlight. It has some changes because they had to fit the active cruise control system in front. Over here, the radar. What else do we have? This is with the Super Adventure S. It comes with this kind of wheels, the cast aluminum wheels. You can also get the R, which has the spoked wheels. I think that one is a better choice when it comes to enduro riding. You can do it with this bike also, but it's mostly intended towards the touring side of things. How do I get this out? Euro 5 bike. Check out this exhaust. It looks so good. It's nicely finished. What else? Check out the large tank that we have over here. They made it like this to lower the weight of the bike. 23 liters of fuel inside, and a V-twin power plant that produces 160 HP on a 220 kilograms machine, including the fuel. I think it will go to 250 maximum, but it's a mean machine, I can tell you that. When you roll it on the street, you can do wheelies, pop everything that you wish. It's a beast. I like this. I like the way KTM delivers the bikes with protections on the engine like this one over here, because yeah, you can scratch them and it's good to have. What else? We have a bash plate, I think, that goes underneath the bike. We'll have to fit it afterwards. Another box over here that might have the mirrors inside. Okay, so we have the mirrors over here, some stickers or something. I don't know what's this. This one is, I think, the cradle for the windshield. What else? We have this toolbox over here because yeah, it's a KTM, so you always get a large toolbox. It's pretty heavy. It has lots of things in it. Maybe you can work out on your bike while going off-road. Lots of bolts and nuts over here. These ones, I think they go inside the handlebar. They are the weights that cut off the vibrations and stuff. These ones will have to go on the bike, but I'm not sure if I can do it right now. I want to start it so bad. Oh, I think this one is the windshield, and they left it underneath the bike. Let's check if it's too light not to be the windshield. So yeah. Oh. Hand guards and windshield. It's not the tallest one. You can get another taller option if you want, but I would go for the taller windshield, because if you're like me, 1.8 meters, you need extra wind protection, and this one might create some buffeting at my height. The handlebar is not fitted. I think this is a rule for transportation. I don't want to scratch nothing. Okay, so we have the handlebars over here that we will need to fit on the bike. I have taken them out of this wrap. Another important aspect about this bike, it has the electronic suspension and you have the VP, which is fully adjustable. You can use it on road, off road. When you go on road, it doesn't have that much dive, although it's a long travel suspension, it feels quite good and you get the impression of a touring machine. While going off road, we change the mapping and then the bike becomes very elastic and very playful. You have lots of dampening, so this is a very cool suspension to have. There's a lot happening in this area. You can see already that you have this backlit switchgear, which is so impressive. It feels quite good when touching it, and lots of buttons that I don't know I'm not very sure about their job, but I think they do something. This is the cover for the large instrument cluster that is a TFT dash over here, pretty large one. I want to take the foil off, but I won't do it. And you have the key. It usually has the key right here. Check out this beautiful looking key. It's the KTM. Let's check it out because it's so nice. Keyless ride for this bike. You have the keyless fuel cap. Also, yeah, the keyless ride, which is a nice thing to have when it comes to riding experience. You just leave this in your pocket and then everything happens. Fitted the handlebars. Now I have to take it off the crate. It's very compressed, as you can see. I want to remove the straps. I think it will be very hard to do it, but easily every side. So if you need to take your bike off the crate, the camera guy is always a good solution. The cool fact about the KTM, it offers premium stuff like the Brembo braking system with radial mounted calipers, floating discs, lots of stopping power from this bike. But first of all, I need to plug in the battery, fill in some gasoline in the tank, and afterwards I know already that the bikes are shipped with everything inside like oil and coolant. For the big moment, I just need to fit the battery, add up the fuel, and then start it up. Bam. Also, I have to take the saddle off. Two positions for the saddle. You can lift it up higher or leave it in the lower position. Bam. And we have the battery on. Battery on, we just need to start up the bike. And it comes to life, ready to race. We have to do some stuff over here, I think. Set the clock format, some things. I'm using the joystick, clock and date. So this might take a bit because I need to fill in every form that KTM asks me to do. A thing that got me with this KTM is that although I've used other keyless ride bikes, this one gets the fuel tank that it's keyless ride and also get the saddle from there, just the press of a button and the saddle lifts up. This is a very nice feature. I like it a lot. And also the adjusters for the windshield are very easy to use. I think you can also use them on the go, which is a very important thing. You got a USB plug or a normal 12 volts plug to charge up some stuff in the front area. It's quite nice to see it like this because it's the first time I get to unbox a KTM. I just need to fill in the fuel and then I'll give it a go. For the big moment, I am about to start the 1290 Super Adventure S for the first time, brand new bike. Can't wait to do it, so let's do it. I would say that's a nice sound. It's a proper sound for a V-twin. I can't wait to ride it because the weather it's pretty good right now for riding, and the bike it's almost ready. I just have to fit everything on it, and then I'll come up with a thorough review of this bike on street and maybe change the tires, go a bit off road. Till next time, don't forget to subscribe and see you.